Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to make vanilla ice cream. I have an array of ingredients in front of me. I'm going to start off by heating the milk. Then I'm going to add in my full fat cream. That's 32% milk fat. Mix that and bring it up to temperature. Add in the vanilla bean paste. You can also add vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, I'm going to mix together my corn flour, eggs and sugar. I'm going to keep mixing until you have a frothy mixture and everything is homogenized. Then I'm going to temper my egg yolk mixture with a little bit of the milk and cream and pour it back into the saucepan. Then I'm going to keep stirring, making sure the mixture doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And once the mixture coats the back of the spoon, you'll know it's ready. Sealing the mixture is very important to remove any cooked bits of egg yolk. I'm going to cool the mixture over an ice bath. If you don't have an ice cream machine, that's no problem. You can freeze this mixture and stir it every 3 to 4 hours to form the ice crystals. Once the ice cream is churned, I'm going to put it in a glass container and freeze it for another 3 to 4 hours, and then it's ready to serve.